Hello friends, welcome to ML Career Institute. This is a unique institute that is launched in Ashoknagar, North 24 Parganas, West Bengal. What is unique about our institution? Any other institute? We have some courses like JEE Mains, Neet, but there are some other courses which are not available at any of these institutes which are present in and around Kolkata, North 24 Parganas, and perhaps even in West Bengal. Any student joining in class 11th at our institute will be guided for JEE Mains, Neet along with Cbse boards. Means if you are a student of Cbse or even ICSE, then your preparation will go on for JEE and Neet along with your boards. So you don't have to prepare for your boards separately. So you will get a combined course. That is one speciality. And another thing is that other than JEE and Neet, we also have other courses like Igrua, that is Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Udan Academy. Those students who aspire to become a pilot, a commercial pilot, can take up this examination, Igrua. So we can also prepare a student for Igrua examination. We also have a course for UPSC National Defence Academy examination. Those boys and girls who are interested to become an officer in Indian Armed Force, they can prepare for UPSC ND examination, and that too along with your CBSE boards. So not only we have courses for JEE Mains, Neet, but we also have UPSC NDA and Igrua, then Central University Combined Entrance Test that is going to be conducted this year to 2022 by NDA. So in fact, if I tell you briefly, then you talk about any science-based entrance examination that is conducted at a national level or even at state level, we are ready for it and we can prepare you. So Emerald Guidance Career Institute, of course, is not a new institute. It has been a long 9 years journey. For the past 9 years, we have been preparing students for various exams. But for the past 5 years, our result has been excellent. Okay, so we have given some really good results in the past 5 years. Not only for JEE and Neet as well as for our board exams, CBSE boards as well. So in combined course, students have performed in all different type of entrance examinations, and our students have been selected for various institutes. So this is such a unique institute where you get not only to prepare for JEE Neet but for any entrance examination, because we have to be realistic. It's not possible that each and every student will get selected for Neet or IIT JEE or IIT JEE Mains or Advanced. So there are some students who may not be able to clear JEE Advanced, JEE Mains or Neet. For those students, we have other opportunities as well. They can make a very good career in the field of science. We have more career opportunities for you. So that is why I am saying that Emerald Guidance Career Institute is a full-fledged career institute where students, whenever a student joins our institute in class 11, so we take them for a 2-year program and we ensure that the student gets selected in a national level examination along with a good performance in boards. You know that these days you have to clear an entrance examination to get admission into national level institute, state level institute for any professional course in the field of science. So that is why we will be giving you a complete preparation, complete package for your boards as well as entrance. And at the same time, we ensure that we give you information, we keep you informed about latest careers in the field of science and technology. And I would like to inform you that the first batch of artificial intelligence students of West Bengal and perhaps in India are from Emerald Guidance Career Institute. So in the year 2018, the first batch of AI graduates started from our institute. Some of the students got selected in MACOT exam and then to the MACOT entrance examination, and then some of them have completed BS degree in artificial intelligence. So along with JEE, Neet and CUCET, Igrua, UPSC and DA, we also help students to guide and inform them about latest careers in the field of science and technology. That is why I am saying that this is a complete career institute. So welcome to all those students who want to join our institute in class 11, and those who are in class 9, 10, 10, they can also join in for CBSE and ICSE boards. Along with that, we have foundation program, we have a bridge course through which we will be preparing you for national level exams such as IIT JEE Mains, Advanced and Neet, because you should understand that the competition is becoming stiffer every year. Now more than 12 lakh students are appearing for Neet. Similar figures are for JEE Mains. close to 10 lakh students are appearing for JEE mains, and the number of seats we know are very limited in premier institutes, central government institutes like IITs, NITs, IIITs and CFTIs. So if you start preparing from class 9th and 10th, this will give us enough time, this will give you enough time to get selected for the premier institutes in India. And those who have not started preparations in class 9th and 10th, no problem, you join in our 2-year program in class 11th and 12th, and we hope, we are sure that you will get selected in any one of the entrance examination of national level and you will have a great career. So thank you. Signing off, Biplab Das Gupta, Director of Emerald Career Institute. See you next time.